What's up, it's Josh, Apex Overland. We're gonna figure out how to pull a bumper off a brand new Sequoia TRD Pro. It's a 2023 model. Here we go. All right, just looking at it. This piece right here is just a pretty piece of plastic. This grill piece goes all the way to the very top. So we're trying to pull the bumper off because we're putting a light bar down here in the bottom of the grill, in addition to the one that's factory. But if you look, like the flares here are kind of like the 3rd gen Tacomas. They overlap the bumper. So just looking at it real quick, bunch of tins down the side, including the one in the fender liner. There's tins up top that hold the grill times 3, 4, something like that. Obviously it's mirrored to this side, boom, boom, boom. If it's anything like a 3rd gen Tacoma, there'll be clips holding back here. Got to figure out that reflector slash light. Underneath, a bunch of more tins all the way throughout. So after we take all the bolts out, slightly pry on this guy, and then that clip pops out of there. And there's another one up here. And then you unplug the light, because the cable for the light passes through there. It plugs into your side marker right here. Across the top on the driver's side here, there's a plastic clip takeoff there. Unplug these two. Then do the same thing on this side. Plastic clip, as you can see, and then 2 plugs. All right, to get the bumper to snap free, kind of pull the flare out a little bit, reach on the back side here, pull that corner of the bumper off, and it starts to pull. There's one side. So after we got both corners pulled loose, all the hardware done, pretty much grabbed inside the grill and started slowly pulling out. And then if you look way down here, take a trip down in there with the phone, there's a clip right here. Pick up on the little tab, you'll see it, and it releases it. There's 3, there's one there, one in the middle, and one on the far side. Just pick up on those clips and they unlock. Just slowly pull that off, and then the bumper comes off. Sequoia review soon. Wink, wink. See you guys later. Bye.